Keep your island clean, from the streets to the beach. No dirty up Jamaica, please don't do it like that. So me is the brand ambassador for the No Dirty Up Jamaica campaign.
No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica.
Basically, if you're absent from TV and newspaper from the year I start, the Dirty Up Jamaica campaign is a campaign aiming to bring awareness to UNO about proper waste management and for helping UNO maintain Jamaica's physical beauty so that years down the line Jamaica will run down like stadium track.
No!
Big up Tef and Jet for sponsoring the proper campaign, yeah. Yeah, Jamaica Environment Trust. Tourism Enhancement Fund, yeah. Right about now, I'm going to teach you a little something about waste disposal. Cause my arse enough for UNO agwan with a bag of things on the news. I don't call the name.
Riverton.
The segment your name, the do's and don'ts of waste disposal.
No dirty up Jamaica.
Numero 1. Put your waste in at the rightful place. No man, come play hands of the 85 for the one, yeah. Hands of the 85. Wanna guess? Different names of rubbish. No hesitation, but concentration. If so, let's go starting with you. Waste, garbage, rubbish, heap. So people, if you have no bin around you, no bin in your vicinity, in the surrounding area, that no means you must go and drop it aground just so. Fling it in your bag, your purse, a scandal bag, simple until you reach home and then you can dispose of it properly. Number 2. Use a basket or cloth bag for shopping. Yeah, because if you ever take a trip down to Privaton and you see the amount of plastic with Jamaican people, after you dispose of a year time, my word. Say no, say you got supermarket, you just drop one of them something there, put in like a groceries, say like a knickknacks, easy cheesy, simple as that. Number 3, reuse and repurpose when you can. You see all the wig here? You can't take it on shoe shine now. Number 4, put your waste, your rubbish in a one decent enough bag so that when the garbage collector them come, them can easily find it and not now drop out, logo up and not stay up the place. They must have the pit into you know. I'm sure them no want a fair logo with no old broke down bag where I leak all over the place and I mess up your front yard. And now to the don'ts.
No dirty up Jamaica.
Don't expect nobody else to clean up your own waste. Sure, when you go bathroom, you know, ask the government for assist you in there. Worse your mother after you reach a certain age. If you are eat a box food, don't left it on the ground right beside you. Take it up, dispose of it. Easy, simple as that. Next thing.
No bun, no garbage.
All this thing we take up from one day and a bun car tire. Only know so that I release harmful, toxic substances in the atmosphere. No man, stop it people. Cause I want to live long, I mean, nobody really affect me and living and swallow my lungs and all of these things. And then the other thing, don't throw any garbage in the gully them. Because when it rain, guess what happen? From the streets to the gully to the seas. It did it in the song, you can't go listen it again. And you just I know said that nah go sweet at all when you there being struck off and enjoy a nice peace and tranquility and it's an old shimmy that box in your face. We just have to realize that whatever you put in the environment, how you gonna get back. Put in good things, you're going to get back good things. You put in old skirmish and rubbish, you're going to get back skirmish and rubbish. Box cover, so today's lesson is done. But open to learn something, or the most can learn at least one thing and what things I teaching a while ago. To find out more about the campaign, you can just check them out on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NoDirtyUpJamaica, or you can read them on Instagram at NoDirtyUpJamaica. Or even if you want to find out a little bit more and come check up on me, you just check me out at Dutty Show, on Instagram, on Twitter, and all over them something there. Alright? Until next time, take care. And remember, no dirty up Jamaica.
No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica. No dirty up Jamaica.